Wagwan, where you depend? My name Winston, me born in Kingston, Jamaica. A beautiful country in the Caribbean, man. And a part of the West Indies. Jamaican people love to party, man. Eat and listen to music and enjoy life. Jamaica gives the world big names, man. Bob Marley, a Rasta man. He introduced reggae to the world, man. Jah rest his soul. Jamaica have the fastest man and woman records with Usain Bolt and Scallion.
Bolt has the lead, widening the margin, all by himself across the line.
Chris Gayle, he the famous cricket player. He the best batsman ever. We also have them beautiful woman, man. Jamaica won 4 Miss World, including the latest 2019 Miss World. Yeah, man. Jamaican food be famous all around the world, man. Especially the UK and the US. There be long lines outside Jamaican joints. Not that joint, you crazy, man. Today, me show you how to make the famous jerk chicken. It be one of the best Jamaican dishes, man. The ingredients for our jerk chicken, we have onion, garlic, Worcester sauce, we have jerk seasoning, we have allspice berry, we have fresh thyme, we have Scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't have Scotch bonnet pepper, no worry, you can just use any pepper. We have chicken with skin on that, and we have scallion. Now, first we're going to cut the lemon in half, because we're going to clean our chicken. Let all the citrus get in the chicken, because we're going to clean the chicken so it's nice and fresh and clean. We want clean chicken. And we put the lemon in the chicken water, because you see the water, the chicken needs to be clean. And you see all the residue come up in the water. Now we're going to start cutting our garlic up or so. Cut the onion in half, and then we're going to cut it in small pieces. These are Scotch bonnet peppers, famous Jamaican pepper. We're going to cut up 6. We're going to cut down the slim. If you want it less spicy, you can just use less pepper. It's up to your discretion. But for me, we like real spicy, so now what we're going to do, we're going to cut up the scallion. We're going to take off the ends, like so. Now, our next step is we're going to take the chicken and we're going to dab it. We're going to take all the moisture off the chicken, because we're going to add all of our ingredients. And you want to make sure that your chicken is damp and as dry as possible. We're going to score the chicken so the spices get in the chicken. Make nice scoring of the chicken. And then we're going to place it in a bowl. So once again, we're going to take our chicken, we're going to damp it out, take all the moisture, as much moisture out as possible. Damp it. Then we're going to score it so the flavor gets inside of the chicken. So now we're going to start adding all of our ingredients. We're going to start by adding 6 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. We have a spoon ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is 6. Next, we're gonna add our garlic. Then we're gonna add our onion. Next, our Scotch bonnet pepper. Followed by our fresh thyme. You want to get all the thyme off of the leaf. Next, we're gonna add our scallion. Then we're gonna add our jerk seasoned hot and spicy. We're gonna put in 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next and last, we're gonna add our allspice pepper. Remember, this is optional. Just put all around like so. Perfect. Now we're gonna stir so. And remember, when we scorned the chicken earlier, now the spices can get in the chicken. When you stir it, all the spices get in it. So for 2 hours we'll marinate. So now we're gonna add our olive oil. Let it get all around the pan. Now we're gonna start to add our chicken to a hot pan. And what you can do is you can add some of the seasoning from the pan on top. Just give it a nice little top layer. Now you're gonna let each side cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You see how it got golden brown? I'm gonna let that sit. Turn it. You know, at your discretion, you can always go back and add any extra sauces if needed. You can add more Worcester sauce, anything you need at your discretion. While this is cooking, me listen to some Bob Marley music.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling?
Alright, once you brown it on both sides, it's time to put it in the oven. Our jerk chicken is ready. Let's see how it tastes. This is amazing. You really should try it. If you like this recipe, click on the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button. I would love to see how you made your jerk chicken. If you like me, follow me on Khal.com to see more Jamaican recipes. Until the next time, respect. Let me finish this.